Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Halloween video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Halloween princess. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our drawing of our Halloween princess, let's begin by drawing the face. So I'm going to start right here and we're just going to make a nice big smiley face shape. So we just want to draw a line that's just going to come down. And then we're going to bring it up right to here. So it's kind of like a nice little U shape. Now let's make the top of the head. Let's begin by drawing a line that's going to come up to here. See, it kind of curves up for the hairline. And then right here, we're going to curve down for the other part of the hairline. So we just kind of go up and then we curve down. Now let's draw the ears. Let's make half of an oval shape on each side of the head for the ears. Now, starting here for the hair, let's draw a line that's just going to come up, and then we're going to bring it down here. Then let's draw another little line that's just going to come up and then down to here. And that's going to be like a little headband. Now let's draw the hair. Let's make a couple bumps. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 bumps right here for the top of the hair. Now let's draw a cute little face on here. Let's begin by making a circle for an eye, and then we're going to leave a bunch of space and we'll put another circle for an eye right over here. Then let's go ahead and make a small circle at the top of each one. And let's just go ahead and color this in. And we'll color each one in just like this. We'll kind of round this up here. Now for the nose, let's just draw a little line. It's just going to go down and kind of curve over. And then let's make the mouth. So to draw the mouth, let's just make a nice little smiley face shape. Then we're going to add some lips. Let's go up and down for a top lip. And then we're going to go down and then up for the bottom lip. Let's make a couple little curved lines for some eyelashes. And then let's make a little line up here, and then we'll make another little line up here for the eyebrows. Now let's draw the neck. Let's begin by making a line that's just going to go down and then up. Next, let's draw a line that's going to come out on each side. And let's draw another line that's going to go down and then up here, like a V shape. Starting here, let's draw a line that's going to curve out, and it's going to come in. And then same thing over here, just kind of curve out and bring it in. Now, for the top of the body, let's draw a line that's going to come down on each side. So we're just going to make a little line that's going to come down on each side. Then we're just going to curve this line here. Next, right here, we're going to draw another line. It's going to go down, over, and then up for kind of like a little belt. Now, starting here, let's make the bottom of the dress. Let's begin by making a line that curves down here. And then on the other side, let's draw a line that's just going to curve down. Now to connect the bottom of the dress, draw a line that just goes down and up, kind of like a curved little smiley face. Next, at the bottom of the dress, let's make some little bumpy lines right down here, just so we can have a little bit of detail down here. So we're just going to make these little bumpy lines all the way across. Now, for the arms, we're going to make it look like her arms are behind her back. So we're just going to draw a line that's going to come down and then in like this. And then same thing over here. Let's just go down and then bring it in. And we'll draw a little curved line here and a little curved line right here. And then I'll add just a couple more little curved lines for a little bit of detail on her sleeves. Now, let's add a couple fun little details on here. Let's start by giving her some little bat wings back here. So you want to start right about here and just curve a line down. And then same thing here. We're going to start here and we're just going to curve a line down. Next, let's draw a line that curves out for the front of the bat wing. So we're going to do that on each side. Then let's go ahead and make a line that goes up and down, and then up to the arm. Same thing here. Let's go up and down, and then right up to here. Now, on our dress, let's make like a little spider web. So let's draw a line that comes straight down. And then let's draw a line here and a line here, kind of like to the top of the belt. Next, let's make some little sad faces. So we're going to curve a line down, and then up and down here. Same thing, we'll go up and down, and then right to here. Now, starting here, let's draw a couple lines on her dress. Let's draw a line here, and then we'll make another line right here. Then, let's go ahead and put a big curved line here. We'll do a big bump here, and then we'll do one more right here. Now, let's make some little ghost faces on here. So, let's go ahead and just color in 2 ovals on each one for the eyes. So we're just going to color in a couple ovals. So we'll make the eyes of our ghosts. And we'll do the same thing here. Just draw those ovals and then just color them in. Then we're just going to go ahead and make another little oval down here for the mouth of our little ghosts. Next, let's go ahead and make this look like a spider web. Let's draw some lines. They're just going to go up and down right across here. We'll do another row here. Now, let's add a couple more little fun things. Right up here, let's make kind of like a little skull right by the headband. So let's just begin by drawing a little line that's just going to curve around up here. And then let's just put 1, 2, and 3 little bumps on there. And then we'll give it 2 little eyes and a little nose. Then let's make her have like a little cute jack-o'-lantern next to her. So starting here, let's begin by drawing a line that's just going to curve up, and it's going to come down to here. Then let's draw 2 little lines that are going to curve up for the stem and connect them. Now, right here, let's go ahead and make a circle for an eye. Then let's make another circle for an eye right here. Then let's put a little dot inside each one. Then we'll put a second one at the bottom and just kind of color them in, kind of give our little pumpkin some cute eyes. Then let's give him a little mouth. We'll draw a line that comes down, make a little square, and then a line that goes up. Then we'll just come down and up here and just go ahead and color that in for the mouth. Then, to give our pumpkin some detail, let's draw a couple little lines that are going to come down. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little Halloween princess. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.